wading out into the Murray River. Oh, it's a bit boggy. How nice is this? Oh, look at this. Look. Hope there's no crocodiles out here. Looking good. Feeling a little bit chilly. Can't take this camera in the water with me. It's not waterproof, but take a look at this. This is the Murray River. They do have paddle steamers down here, and Michelle's already been in. Actually, she was first in. It's windy. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, it's getting up around the nether regions. Getting a bit chilly. How beautiful is this, though? This is a free camping site out here. What's the name of the town, Michelle? Renmark. Where we went into Renmark. What a lovely town. It's got everything. But this campsite, as I stand here up to me mid-region in the Murray River, this campsite has got really nice, well, not great facilities. It's just got a WC. You turn around so you can see the river. You turn around this way so you can see without me glaring into the sun. It's got a good feel about it. If it had more facilities, you'd be paying. This is a free campsite, and actually really nice pictures. We're over there on the bank, just behind Michelle. We've got a little tent. You can see the Jeep. We've got our own little spot here. There's probably another maybe 20 or 30 campers on site. Completely free. These are all over Australia, by the way, these free campsites. Okay, the water's getting a little bit more bearable. Ground is a little bit boggy. I had some beautiful birds. Actually, I'll try and get some film a little bit later on of the birds and the ducks that come round. There was a pelican just here earlier on, but the pelican's gone on. I'm probably looking really white if you can see any of my body, because I haven't taken a shirt off in the sun for a long time. Yeah, how gorgeous is this? Stood up to my waist in the Murray River, South Australia. I'll put up on the map where we are. Just saw a fish just jump out of the water. The fishing's great here. There's guys fishing all the way along this bank. There are fishermen set up, fishing probably all through the night, some of them by the looks of it. Oh, this is so peaceful, so tranquil. Just listen. There's nothing. Nobody here. A little bit of wind. So nice today. Take care. Talk to you in a moment. Hello. So I was just talking to one of the locals here, and he said you should go across. It's a free crossing. So we thought we should. Why not? Engines off. So shift to park. So I've just filmed it going over. Now apparently this thing's been going for a long time, possibly even a century or more, and it used to be hand cranked, so now it's all done with some small diesel engines, quite low. I think about 4 horsepower, the guy was saying to me, about 4 horsepower. So that was nice. I think that's us. We're off. We're just going to go over and check out the other side of the bridge here. So we're going to turn across the Murray. Oh ferry, cross the Murray, for this land's the one I love. Here I stand. But there's not much. There's not much this side. So we're going to get back in the queue and go back over.
How many does it take?
And you get the gist, 20 or so. So there you have it. We've been over. We're heading back over. So you go up there?
Yep, so we're going to go across to Burra.
Yeah.
And you get 20 k's out of Burra and there'll be World's End Highway.
Right.
Turn off that and go down there 5 to 10 k's and there'll be a big sign, Burra Gorge.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Yep, about 45 minutes.
Thanks,
or so.
mate. I'm Steve.
So, yeah, Jason, mate.
Jason, all right. Do you live local?
Yeah, yep, Cadell boy.
All right.
So not far away.
It's nice out here, man. It's beautiful.
Bloody awesome.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So we're heading to Burra Gorge, or Burra Creek Gorge. Now, it's not well signposted coming from Morgan. There's no signpost actually. So it's only when we got into Burra we were told we'd gone past it and we'd drive back out and there's actually a brown sign saying Burra Creek Gorge. So, yeah, knocked about 20 minutes off the journey by going all the way in and coming back out. But we're still heading to check it out. And one of the guys in the town there said, enjoy playing with the snakes. So, we'll see. So here we are at Burra's Gorge. It's not a gorge as I imagined it might be. I'm not sure where the snakes are. We better keep an eye on the ground. But look at these beautiful old gum trees. These things must be so ancient. How gorgeous. I mean, they're huge. And there's hundreds of them here. The size, the scale of these gum trees. And there's, I don't know if you can see just the majesty of these. They're so pretty. There are loads of them here. Look, there's one, another big one over there. Scale of them. I think I just saw, might have seen a kookaburra. Wouldn't mind seeing some snakes. It's not a gorge as I would have imagined. Oh, I can hear a galah, I think. There are definitely parrots in the tree. Ah, look, up there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a galah right above my head, making all that noise. Let's zoom in, get nice and close. Can you see that? All the pink, let me get my, he's hiding away. The galah are a beautiful bird. They're all up in the trees up here. You probably can't see them moving around just along that that gum tree branch. There's two of them up there. They often move around in pairs. They actually move around in flocks, but they do mate and pair, I think, for life. And correct me if that's wrong, but I think galahs do tend to mate up and stay together for life. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. And there's, I don't know if it's, I hear you. I don't know if it's free camping or sort of there's a couple of caravans or camper vans parked up the end here. Now if you go across these lines and into the bush, you probably will find snakes. You do have to be careful. Quite often just make enough noise so that they're more frightened of you than you are of them. Man, the galah, they'd be hard to spot, but you might get koala up here. Michelle's out in the bush. You're not you haven't got the appropriate footwear on.
I haven't, but I'm staying on the path and making lots of noise. Watching out for those snakes.
You know, you get the snakes in the bush, in the shrubs around here, but they'll move off when they hear you coming. So you really don't want to frighten, you know, come across a snake who's just bathing in the sun. I want to get a bit higher up so you can see the extent of these beautiful, it's like a little valley full of gum trees. Suddenly there are hundreds, thousands of galah, and they're trying to chase off the drone. I don't know whether we'll actually get pictures of them chasing the drone, but they're coming in flocks trying to dive bomb the drone. So that is Burra Gorge. We're not going to stop here. It's too early in the day for us. We've really get off the corrugated road. We've got to get at least 4 or 5 hours driving in. So we were going to stop for a while and go for a walk, but we thought, well, we'll probably have places to walk this evening, and it's too early in our trip today. So absolutely beautiful, Jason. Thanks very much. The gums are really good. I really wish we could have taken a walk out, but it would easily knock an hour or two off of the journey, and then we'll be behind. We won't get the distance. So we're going to head off